Welcome this video. Rustic gardening bed. The ultimate gas to throw gardening beds. Gardening rustic bed have transforming how modern gardening grow food often controlling effect and beauty in a single setup. Whether your city developing look with a smart patio or a backyard homestead, among to mix rustic bed can elevate your gardening game. We cover everything you need now. What rustic bed are way thing work so well, how to build or buy theme, what to fit theme with, and how of use team and growing building seasoning after season. What are rustic gardening bed? A rustic gardening bed is a fresh and box use make for wood, metal, stone, or compost material. Fit with salt and place on top of the gardening. Then can range from a few inch or sub feet and come in various shape and size to sub any space. Unlike traditional and group gardening district bed are elevate above the natural stone. This gardening bring available better soil quality, controlling and long growing seasoning. Benefit of rustic gardening bed. Better soil center. One of the main advertising of rustic bed is the ability to build your salt from seasoning in rustic with poor compact and control meaning natural salt rustic bed allow you to skip and strainer and start with high quality salt that mean bring and root development for the get go. Weekend patrolling. Week allows in restrict bed when you use wood bring fiber, call bring add the during setup. Like steam are also to main with practical bring area the stand growing seasoning. The salt in rustic bed warm up fast and inspire and better in west weather allow plants. You can also add hope and cover to create for wheat and vine gardening. Better aesthetic. Rustic bed give our gardening cover original appear then useful in fiber or smart space gardening allow you to maximize productive in a type layout. Choose the right rustic bed material. Your choice of material impact aesthetic cost. Wood is the most comes material used easy to work with the natural look. How even ultimate wood like pin were wrote within a few years. Claiborne and redwood and natural root can last 10 to 15 years more than our princes. Metal. Zebra bed like throw for brains. Willow gardening are excellent. Bring style and adjusting to run than idea for hot climates benefit. Then referent hard. Then contact with stone. Those material are various Promax and gardening for Promax medication style gardening however then stand and lab interior to installing compact material make for recycle plants or wood fiber. Compacts are low maintenance. Double R eco friendly. A great is you want or sleep, minimize, and keep. Idea for demented forestic bed. When gardening is stick gardening bed, keep those grip in midding. Wide 3 to 4 inch wide allow you to cycle and compact far side without spotted in the bed. Length 6 to 8 feet is common and long are it's better to solve into the multi bed for each access. Thank you for watching this video.